Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add music files to Google Drive. Whether you want to store your favorite songs or backup audio files, we will guide you through the quick and easy steps to upload them. Now let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, we can see the New button in the upper left corner. This is where we can upload a file or a music folder. If you want to upload a folder with music or just one music file, we first need to go to our folders. Here, we have a sample of music with some songs. The first thing to do is to create a folder. For example, let's use this folder. Let's drag the music files into the folder. Once they are in the folder, all of your music is organized together. Next, we will click on Google Drive and click New. We will select Folder Upload. Go to your downloads and click on the sample folder. Let's rename this folder to Music Folder. Now let's upload this folder. Click Upload and wait for the files to load. Now it's done uploading to Google Drive. Just wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, we will have a music folder that contains our music. We can play it if we want. Just double-click a file to play the music on Google Drive. As we can see, it's playing. And that's it. Our music files are now safely stored in Google Drive. With this method, we can access our audio anytime and from any device.